recovery was successful on this 4 gigabyte flash drive. When I read the data on the flash drive, there was all this corruption. Files and folders, you can see the years here: 1601, 2042, 2096, 1981. None of them are correct. The reason for this is that the flash chip where the data is stored got worn or damaged, resulting in bit errors. So far, the customer has gotten all their files back that they're looking for. It's very common that drives have to be sent out to $300datarecovery.com. You can see the website at the top of the screen. I'm not aware of any company in Green Bay that can do professional data recovery. If a place tells you this, do research, since I'd be using that company if that was the case, and not going through all the hassle of shipping drives out to California every time. The company has 3 price levels: 300, 400, 500. 300 is the typical price for most projects. If a donor drive is needed, the price will depend on the availability. It can be $20 for a donor drive one time, and on the next one it could be $100 or more. Each situation is different. They do provide priority service. That's $50 up front, and then $150 more if there is a recovery. Your data is safe with my company, and also $300 data recovery. If you need help getting your files back, you can contact me here. This is on the Contact Us page on the website. It's very important to stop using the drive or device. Recovery will gradually get more difficult. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.